Hey, what's cracking, everybody? I got a comment about using the respin maker or builder to build a system using Plasma. So I just wanted to let you know that when you're making a respin, all of the installers are going to use OpenBox. So don't be confused by that. Only the installer part is going to use OpenBox, but the system that is installed is going to be whatever system you choose. So in this video, I'm just going to do a quick run through. This is actually for a system that I'm actually testing right now because I did some more changes. So you'll actually get to see these right now. This actually won't be released yet, but it's this is going to be probably for June. I'm going to release this in June because there's a lot of things I'm updating. I'm updating the installer, updating the way AUR helpers are being installed, a little bit of everything. So anyways, I got the system booted up, and now right here, instead of saying LinuxHub, it says Prime on the button right here for your menu. But right here, I got the installer open, so let me go ahead and start it off by clicking Begin Install. And you can see right here, this is going to be the new window that comes up now with all the options for you to fill in your info. So on this one, I'm just going to add my info. Give it the strong, complicated password. That's not 12. Again, repeat that password. And since the person that left me a comment, he mentioned it was a Plasma where you got the error. So I'm going to use Plasma for this system. And then right here it says select AUR helper. So right here, you can either select PAMAC, you can select PARU, you can select Yay, or you can select them all if you want to put all of them, or you can select none. So the choice is up to you. Just for this video, I'm going to select all, and I'm going to click on OK. And then everything else should start up like the normal installer. So you get the message right here telling you about what options you need to edit right here. So it's pretty straightforward. You see me do it probably 100 times already, but you know, it's good to repeat and rinse. It gets you used to things. So anyways, I'll go ahead and click on proceed. And then from here, I'll go straight to disk configuration. And I'll set that up as I always do. Then ext4 default, and then go to time zone. And from here, I'll just set my time zone and straight to install and install. All right, I'll go ahead and I'll pause the video now. And the installation is complete now, so I'll go ahead and I'll reboot the system, and it should be Plasma. Like I said, all of the installers are going to use OpenBox, but the system you install is going to be whatever you choose. So you can see right here it says LinuxHub Plasma 6. All right, and we are booted into our newly installed Plasma 6 desktop, and we're at the control center right here. So from right here, I'm going to build a customized arch respin. So since I'm on Plasma, it's going to do the Plasma respin for you. But the ISO you get when it does the installer, it's going to use OpenBox only as the installer, but your system is going to be whatever you choose. So let's just test it out right here. So you just read through. This tool will guide you along to create a customized Arch Linux respin with your desired custom settings. Click on continue to get started. So we'll continue. It says edit your theme, wallpaper, icons, and mouse cursor to your desired look with the buttons below. So from right here, set theme and wallpaper. I'll click on it and I'll look for the appearance tab. Here it is, appearance and style. So I'll go to colors and themes, and it's already on a Breeze Dark theme, so I want to leave that. Colors, fine with the colors. Night, application style. Let's see, I'll change it to that. All right, Plasma style, I'll leave it on Plasma. Window decorations, I'll use this little squared one so you can identify it easily. All right, see how it's all squared up now. Icons, you can use whatever icons you want. Right now it's set to Obsidian Gray, I believe. But let's go Obsidian Green, just for the sake of this video. All right, so let me open up a folder, take a look. All right, yep, they're green. All right, and the cursor, see what cursor do I want to use? Let's go yellow, just to change it up. All right, and I'll leave the rest alone, but I could go back to the wallpapers. Let's go to wallpaper. Let's see what wallpaper do I want to set. How about we use this one? All right, it's the wallpaper I'm going to use. Fine with everything. Click on OK. All right, enter your desired distro name below with underscores. So this is going to be test distro. Click on OK. Yeah, everything is just going to be test distro. All right, and even for the menu option, see right here, it's showing you the menu for OpenBox because it's going to use this only for the installer. So right here, I'll put test distro. All right, enter a host name, no spaces, test distro. I'm not even going to worry about messing with the images. Just this is just a test distro, so I'm going to leave the images alone. And then I'm going to build the ISO. So just give it your complicated password, and away it goes. It's building the ISO now. All right, I'll go ahead and pause the video again. Okay, and the ISO is now created, and you can see right here is test distro. This is what I named it, so it's done now. So I'll go ahead and click on done and click on finish. So now I'm just going to copy it over to my system so we can take a look at test distro to see if all the changes crossed over to the new ISO for a custom respin. And we are now booted up into the test distro. But as you can see, the installer itself looks like it's open. Well, it is OpenBox. Everything here is from OpenBox, but this is just the installer. So I'm going to click on begin installation, and it uses the old style installer. All right, and when you get the welcome message right here, it says welcome to the test distro. So everything is passed over as far as the branding. So it says test distro right there and test distro right there. So we're going to go ahead and proceed with the installation. The installation happens on OpenBox, but that's just the installer. It's not the main system itself yet. All right, we'll go ahead and go through this. I'll pause the video. When we come back, we should be able to reboot into our customized respin. All right, we're booting into our test distro now. I've installed it, so let's take a look. And yeah, everything's crossed over. We got our wallpaper, our mouse cursor, all the theming. Yeah, everything's the square buttons on the borders, everything. So yeah, everything transferred over. So we got everything on here. All right, so what I'm going to do is, just for the sake of the person that left the comment, I'm going to go ahead and upload this ISO. The updates are not going to be ready. I'm planning to have a new update for June. I'll go ahead and I'll upload this ISO now. That way I know there is a working ISO available, because I know this one works and it's tested it right here. So you can see everything transferred over, all the theme settings, everything's pretty much the way it's supposed to be. So I'll go ahead and I'll upload this ISO. That way this one is 100% usable right now. Okay. All right, you guys, just wanted to show you this. Oh, and another thing, while I got you guys here, let me go ahead and open up a web browser. Let's go to DistroWatch. All right, here's a link for distrowatch.com. And if you go to the Find Submit Distro and go under Waiting List, we can go right here and we see you got LinuxHub Prime. We're on here right now. So if you guys can, please go to DistroWatch, go to the Find Submit Distro, go to the Waiting List, and right there you'll find LinuxHub Prime. All right, so help us get on the DistroWatch page. Help us get ranked on there. So just vote for us if you can, please. All right, you guys, that's going to do it for this video, and I'm out.